Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited y'all because I have an introductory box. This is a pre-launch celebration box for the company Thrive Remotely. I'm so excited. This subscription will start in September and this is a pre-launch. So if you like this box, you can get this box. I'll tell you more about that at the end. But I wanted to first tell you some about Thrive Remotely. Shannon is the lady that has started this subscription. And what she says is that not long ago, I was struggling working from home. I was down, unmotivated, having a really hard time. As I was normally an A+ employee, my employer at the time knew I was struggling with my mental health, but they didn't seem to care. However, this got me thinking about the thousands of women isolated in their homes, working, juggling it all, and being solely responsible for keeping themselves going too. That is where the idea for the Happy Home Office Box was born. I want to create a community of strong women that support each other and that support themselves through the self-care items and resources included in each month's box. So this is the pre-launch box. Let's see what's in it. But I will tell you about the Happy Home Office Box. This box will be carefully curated to bring maximum support and happiness to women working from home. The contents will include items such as unique and helpful office products, seasonal decor for your desk, aromatherapy of some kind, word art featuring words of affirmation, inspiration, and or humor, a special tasty treat to try, and a self-care or self-improvement challenge. Now, I want to tell you something. I did tell Shannon that I don't work from home, but I think this box is meant for every woman, whether you work at home or not. I mean, a lot of, some women don't work at all because they're taking care of their family. This might be helpful to you. And I work and I want my desk to look nice and I want to be comfortable at my desk. So let's open it up and see what's in there, okay? Like I said, this is the pre-launch celebration box and I did cut it open. And the subscription actually starts in September. So when you open the box, Camille is laying on everything. You get a couple of nice things in here, some paperwork. This says, love your box. Shannon, of course, wants you to share. So I will definitely do that. Ooh, some fighting going on. Maybe that'll keep them away. This has the challenge checklist for August, September. I'll give you a quick look at that. It says the sunflower symbolizes constant orientation towards the light. It's true, a sunflower moves toward the light. This is why they are often associated with positivity and happiness. They are also known to be the strongest, tallest, brightest bloom in the field. This month's challenge is to live like a sunflower, be positive, focus on your happiness, and be the best you can in your professional field. Here are some ideas to help. There's a be positive section, be happy, be the best you can be in your field. And I try to talk about being positive. So look at how pretty Shannon has wrapped this for us. Look at that beautiful paper. I love that color. And it says thank you on here. So let me open it up and let's see what's in there. On the back of this card, or this paper, are the items that are in the box. This is called the Thrive Remotely. It's like a newsletter. Let's start thriving. And it says your support means so much. She's just launching this. So she's gotten some really great positive feedback already. So when I pulled away the paper, this is what it looks like in there. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, that's a big item right there. Ooh. That smells good already. Body Restore. Let's see what that says. That is Body Restore Shower Steamer. Showers are rejuvenating. So dial down stress and prepare for restorative sleep with a shower experience featuring the calming effects of lavender. Place the tablet on shower floor away from the heavy stream of water for the best results. I can smell it through here, y'all, but I'm going to open it. It says place it. All right, like I just said, the dreamy lavender shower bomb. All right, Camille, stop. There's these little things in here, so she's getting pretty happy about that. All right, you'll have to stop, love. Let's open this and see what it looks like. And I can smell it through the package, y'all. It's very relaxing. Perfect for a night right before you. Oh, it's wonderful. It's lavender and eucalyptus, I think, is in there because that's what I smell. I don't know if it says the ingredients on here. Oh, that is very relaxing. Thank you, Shannon. That's going to help me, especially with you know, the stress of the day, whether you work at home or not, the stress of the day can really take its toll on us. All right, Camille, out, out, out you come. All right, hang on. Ooh, ooh, okay. I'm gonna take everything out so I can close the box because otherwise she keeps on with the, she'll keep bothering that. That's, you know, the squigglies. She loves that stuff. And I'll find those, even though I closed it up, I'll find them all over the house. All right, let's see. We have this beautiful pad. This is so cute, y'all. These are sticky notes. And it says sunflower Post-it notes, a variety of sunflower designs Post-it notes. Great to use for your desk and or throughout your home. So these are great. You can stick, you know, you can, on a sticky notes, you can peel the back off and stick it to your refrigerator or something if you want to. Or, you know, your file cabinet or anywhere that you are working so that they're right there and handy for you and then they don't move. And write yourself some notes. And to help us write notes, I have a sunflower ink pen, Write in Style with this metal retractable ballpoint black ink pen. Isn't that pretty, y'all? The sunflower is the theme, and there it is. This is really pretty. And there's the pen. Let me see. Let me scribble a little bit. Oh yeah, it writes real nice. So it's beautiful. And actually, I don't know if Shannon meant to, but she sent me two. So we'll see what we'll do with that, okay? And next up we have Be the Sunshine Coaster. This is Remember to Be the Sunshine with this handcrafted coaster, perfect for your desk. So this, I'll show it to you real quick and then I'll take it out of the bag. That is really pretty. All right, it's really nice coaster. It has the cork on this side to, you know, soak up your water. When you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. You know, that is the truth. You know, I talk about positivity on my channel all the time, and y'all know how I feel about it. You know, you have to make the day good. You know, bad things can happen through the day or rotten things, but if you turn it around to yourself. You be the sunshine. I love that. I love that, Shannon. And then what goes with that wonderful thing, look at how pretty she has this packaged for us. This is, let me open it up. Instead of just telling you what it is, first we'll open it and see. Look at that pretty ribbon on there. And it's nicely packaged. This is Sunflower and Leopard Tumbler. This is really pretty, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. Let me take it out of the bag. This is nice. It's 20 ounces. I love a nice big tumbler, and I love this kind because this will fit in your car holder, this tall, thin, and look at how beautiful it is. It has the beautiful sunflowers on it, and it says leopard also, so you can see, oh yeah, there's some leopard print. You know, that's my favorite. You know, y'all know I love the animal print. And then down here, it's like flowers here, but to me, it reminds me of rain. It's really, I love the colors. If you're gonna, sunflowers, you know, this is my color. And this is beautiful. Here it is. Okay, let me show you the top. It has this nice seal. So it's, if this falls, it's not gonna spill. It has a great seal on it. And then it has this, you push, let me see how you do it. You push it this way and it'll seal. It has that nice rubber seal. And so like I said, if it falls, and then, you know, if you have something cold in here or if you have something hot, it'll keep it hot or cold by keeping that closed. So you just move that and then you drink out of it. Now you can just drink out of it this way if you want to, but also Shannon includes a straw, and this is a really nice straw. This is a metal straw. Let's take that out of there. Okay, Camille. Hope y'all don't mind. If you're new around here, hope you don't mind seeing cats. Mary Catherine loves cats. Oh, that's a wonderful straw. A nice metal straw. So this will fit in here. Open it up. And it'll fit in there. Oops. It fits nicely in there. And then also what came with the straw is a nice brush. So, you know, straws, reusable straws are fantastic because you save the environment. You're not throwing straws out that are getting in the sea and all that. But you have to, you can rinse them out every day, but stuff gets clogged in there sometimes. It's happened to me. So this goes in here and then it cleans, and you go up and down, and you can go, it'll run the whole length of the straw. And then it's almost to the end here, and then you can go this way as well and clean it all out every so often, especially if you use coffee in here, coffee will stain. And like what I do, latte or an iced latte, if you got milk in there, milk will get clogged up in here. So you want to make sure you clean it really well, you know, so you keep it fresh and clean. So I love that, Shannon. This woman has really thought this out, y'all. I think she's really thought this out. So if you have your home office or someone like me that travels, I can take this with me traveling. I can use this on my home office, and there's my cup mat. And what's great about this, it won't spill if you drop it over. And you know, these kinds, they do protect so well. Even if you're using the straw and it falls over, it doesn't spill as much as if it was an open cup. So that's very nice. And we have this beautiful pad of paper with the pens. And I do have something else here. Camille sort of moved it around for me. I'm sorry, y'all. We have one more item. And this is flower earrings. These are beautiful. Look at how pretty. Well, I'm already opening it without showing you. This is how it came wrapped. It says leather teardrop dangle earrings to wear during your Zoom meetings. The styles vary from pictures. So there's a pictures. The picture on here shows some with sunflowers on it, and mine have different colored flowers. They're beautiful. Hey, I think they'll go really well with this blouse. Let's put them on right quick. And if you are watching this, now Shannon doesn't know I'm going to do this, but since I have that extra pen, let's do a little giveaway with the pen, okay? I know that's not very much, but I'll put some other things in the giveaway. I'll make a little package for y'all, okay? So I have just plain old earrings on. These are beautiful. They're sparkly, so it's a leather base, so they're going to stand up to time. Can you see all the sparkles on there? The beautiful flowers? Oh, they're so pretty. So we'll put these on right quick. I love a French hook. What I do when I put a French hook on is I just squeeze it so that way it doesn't fall off. But they're really pretty. These would go great with a t-shirt and jeans. It might be too busy with this blouse, but that's okay. So let me put this on here. So I want to thank Shannon for sending this over to me to show y'all. And I want y'all to know that this box, the introductory celebration box, is on sale until September 21. And then the October is the first brand new subscription box. That's when it starts. But if you want to get in on the celebration box, you have until September 21 to place your order. I'll have all the information below. Shannon is fairly new to Instagram, but she's on Instagram. But she also has... let me see. I'm sure she has a website to order. So I'll put all that below, like I said. And the introductory box is $39.99. If you use my code Mary, then you'll save $1.99, which is 5% off the box. And there's a $7.99 shipping. And I told you a lot about the box, I think. Also, when the subscription starts in October, if you want to add, you can add the scent of the month soy candle, which will be an 8-ounce nice glass mason jar candle, and it will be an additional $13. It won't add to your shipping. The shipping for the monthly box is $9.95, and the box is $45.99. I want you to know how much thought has been put into this by Shannon. The monthly theme challenge is what really will set this box apart. Each month we will work on things such as time management, routine, self-care, digital organization, etc., with a challenge checklist full of things to do to help in those areas. So that is this that I showed you at the beginning, okay? Talked about that a little bit. And then Shannon says, thank you for your support from the very beginning. It really means more than you know. I'm so happy that what I'm creating to help women work remotely is actually being so well received. So what I'm showing you is the pre-launch celebration box. This box is available until September 21st, and it included, again, this beautiful tumbler, the straw and the brush, the beautiful pen, and the notepad, the sticky notepad, the coaster, when you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine, the wonderful, this smells fabulous, y'all, shower balm. And then these beautiful earrings, which these will vary, okay? So the Happy Home Office box will start in October, but if you want this pre-launch, you need to get a hold of Shannon before September 21st, okay? And thank you so much to Shannon for sending this box to me. I'm excited to be a part of this launch. It's really a beautiful box, a great idea to help women that especially we need to take care of ourselves. I talk about this all the time with y'all, and Shannon is in agreement with me. We need to take care of ourselves. So thank you so much, Shannon. And y'all, count your blessings. And the giveaway will end in 2 weeks. I'll put the date in the description along with Shannon's information, okay? Thank y'all for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.